Hello friends, it's Jivtesh from Encode Digital. In today's session, we will see how we can clone the voice. In the last session, we looked into how you can generate a video from the text and how you can download it from the Sora. If you haven't seen that video, I'm just gonna put the link for that one. But in this one, we will see how you can clone the voice as well of yourself or anyone. But this is a sensitive topic because this is a powerful thing. So I will leave that judgment with you how you should be using this, and you should not be doing what you should not be. But it is very useful. For example, for your presentation videos, you want to reuse your voice. And of course, a lot of companies like the Disney, they are already signing a contract with a lot of the stars, so they can reuse their voice for the upcoming movies. So let me show you how you guys can use in day-to-day life. So I use fish.audio. So go to https fish.audio, and you need to sign in, but you have the free version. So within the free version, you get roughly around 18 voices, 20 voices in a day, which is pretty much sufficient. And it has already lots of the public voices. So for example, if I go to the discovery, you can see the Trump voice and various other voice. You will see you can use those voices to generate. Again, how you're going to use it, where you're going to use it, I will leave that judgment with you. But I want to show you how you can do it. And also you can upload your own voice. So for uploading your own voice, go to the voice cloning, and then within that one you have the input audio section. All you need is minimum 10 seconds of your voice. Simple as that. Recommended is 30 seconds, maximum is 90 seconds. So if you have between 30 seconds and 90 seconds, that is better because it can pick the way you speak, and how your emotions and those sort of things, and then it will be more realistic. So let's look into, I will show you one example. So if I go to discovery, let's pick up Donald Trump's voice just for this demo. And all you need to do is put your text, whatever you want to call it. The only thing in the free version is you have 500 characters limit, but again you get the 20 voices you can create within a day, and it will show you from here. And once you have done that one, if I say create,
Folks, we're doing things nobody thought possible. I want to thank Encode Digital for bringing me to public.
yeah, you heard that one. Yeah, write anything and put your voice, you can do that one. It was very quick video, guys. And this one, I have seen other many tools as well, but there are a lot of paid ones. This one is giving you 20. They used to give actually 50, and now they reduced it to 20, but even the 20 audios within a day is brilliant. All right, guys, see you in the next one. In the next one, I am going to show you how you can do text to speech, not from this one, but totally free and with lot of emotions, variations. For example, if you're doing the fitness instructor voice, or you're doing the meditation voice, or you're doing the studio, your news reader, a lot of different. I'm going to do that one. So subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned. Speak in the next one.